Hey everybody, it's Mike here to find your cards with a couple box breaks of in-the-game vault products tonight. First up we got Superlative, followed by Ultimate. Before we get started, we are going to get the eBay current time for those who are watching the recorded version of this. Yeah, lots of nice stuff. Hope we pull something really nasty tonight. So it's just doing a little flip there. Just did a quick email, quick scan there. You guys get to see that entertainment too. Alright, there we go. Alright, time to get on with the break. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Let me see all my exciting email. What do we got? What's going on, Grant? First up, we got an Enshrined Franchises Famous Fabrics, numbered out of 9. 1978. This is for the Toronto Maple Leafs. We got none other than, this looks like, I'm trying to see what this is. I'll let you guys help me decide. Jacques Plante. And it's a piece of glove. 2 straight nights of glove. Jacques Plante glove. Silver version numbered out of 9. Enshrined 1978 Leafs Jacques Plante. Silver of 9. That's a great start. Yeah, awesome start. One of the all-time great goalies. Next up, we have a Superlative patch. It's a one-color patch with some stitching. Best way to describe this, oh, it's a silver version of 3, but the best way to describe that is it's the stash. No other way to describe him, Mr. Lanny McDonald, the stash. Superlative patch, Flames, Lanny McDonald. Right there, silver version of 3. Nice. We have an auto. It is for the Montreal Canadiens, Bleu Blanc Rouge, Dick Duff. Dick Duff, Montreal, auto. Oh. And finally, another hint here for, it's a silver version. This is a nice one. We got, for the Canadiens, we got Patrick Waugh, Denis Savard, Carey Price, Guy Lafleur, and Jean Beliveau. So with that, I'm going to toss in a bonus pack. So pull pack out there. 2 for the same team, add another pack, another nice hit for Montreal. So 2 nice hits for Montreal. And we got the Plante, and we got Lanny McDonald, and now time for the bonus pack. What am I gonna get here? It's gonna be a 12-13 certified. 12-13 certified. Bonus pack added in. Let's see if we got something in here. No hits. Do another bonus pack. Alright. No hits. We'll go with a prism. We're going until we get another hit. We'll go till we get another hit. We got a hit. We got an auto for the Florida Panthers. Quentin Howden, rookie auto. Panthers, Quentin Howden, rookie auto. So there we go. That wraps up the box break of Superlative. Next up, we got Ultimate. Stay tuned.